We have a house tour, a fridge tour. Magpi-fridge tour ako kasama ang aking what? Fridge tour. This is our fridge. Their fridge pala. Hindi sa akin. Ito ang kanilang fridge. May maingay sa aking tabi. And we have what's inside. Kaspar, where's my assistant? Let's do a fridge tour. Hi, this is my assistant. We do a fridge tour. Let's open the fridge. You open the fridge. What's inside? Ta-da! Ta-da! So many inside. What is that? Can you explain?
It is a ketchup.
Yes, we have a ketchup. What else?
We have a cheese.
Yeah, cheese. We have a cheese. Yayamanin. We have a cheese. What else? We have also egg here. And Santa. We have also cheese here. May ingay ang ating isang alaga. Ayoko ma-stress. Yes. We also have that's one. Yes, we also give Lakong for healthy tummy. And we have also beer. May beer din kami. May beer din sila. That's all. And we have tea, we have ham, we have meat for tonight.
We have chocolate.
Yeah, we have chocolate. Cheese. And we have here for tea.
That's all.
For tea.
That's all. And we will open our other fridge.
Yes. Hey, here. The second fridge, second door. This vegetables. We have cabbage. We have
Pikachu.
not that. We have beans. And we have inside. Oh, we have tomato, orange,
And
pears. And wait, not yet finished. We have here. This is the vegetable area. Not vegetable area. Let's
open
do
the third
the third
fridge.
fridge.
There
We have ice creams. They have ice
chocolate
cream.
ice cream.
Yes, chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream for the. We get cup.
Chocolate,
Chocolate
chopstick,
Oreo.
Oreo, and so yummy. Have patties. Have
This.
this is the crab. Artificial crab meat. We have sausage.
Sausages.